Welcome to our virtual road test of our 2018 Vauxhall Vivaro long wheelbase Sportive 120 PVSsportline. Just over 37,000 miles on the clock, in silver, lovely looking van with the additional PVSsportline equipment, which includes the 20-inch alloy wheels, the sidebars and the roof bars, and the Sportive kit. So very nice to look at. As you can see, looking at the dash, no warning lights on, all good. Even got nearly half a tank of fuel. We will top the fuel up as well as part of the package that we're offering. You've got your cruise control, which comes as part of the Sportive package with speed limiter, air conditioning, digital radio. Really nice all-round van. Drives very well, pulls lovely. It's the higher brake horsepower 120 as well, which is a bit more desirable. Interior is in lovely clean order, as you would expect for a van of this age of mileage. Fully prepared and ready to retail.